Welcome to tip 27 of our 30 tips in 30 days. Sean here from PassFirstTime.ie, Ireland's online driving school. Check out the website for lots more driving test tips. Today's tip, how much are driving lessons in 2022? And a little bit of advice on how to pick an instructor. Well, I had a look around and a chat with some of my fellow instructors, and I've come up with the guideline that the average price is somewhere between 30 and 50 depending on the driving school, depending on the part of the country. Driving lessons in cities seem to be a bit dearer, not by much but a little, and also on special deals from driving schools. That's for the EDT lessons, the 12 EDT lessons. The price difference between a lot of schools is not that much. So going on price alone mightn't be the best idea. Weigh up the difference in price, look at your budget, and then you can be guided as to where you want to go yourself. PreTest lessons, pretty much the same kind of money really, 30 to 50 euro per lesson. Lessons in your car tend to be cheaper by schools than lessons in the instructor's car. Naturally, there's less expense on the instructor, and there are special pre-test deals by a lot of schools. So you need to do your research, look around, and also take into account things like the experience of the instructor, the track record, the teaching style. That will all be reflected in the price. Ask your friends, ask family, and do your research, because relying on price alone, especially if the price difference isn't going to be huge, is never a great idea. Do your research, you'll pick a school that suits you and suits your budget, and that way you can move forward nicely, get your lessons done and get your driving test passed. Check out more tips on how to pass your driving test on our online course, half price until the 31st, just a couple more days. Check it out at PassFirstTime.ie. The best of luck with your driving test. Please like and subscribe if you found benefit in this video. Click the bell to get an update of all forthcoming videos. Till the next one, slán for now, safe motoring. Want to pass your driving test first time? Check out our PreTest driving course. Saving you time, money, and giving you the best chance of passing first time. With RSA approved driving instructors, short, easy to follow video lessons, covering all topics: reverse, turnabout, marking sheet, dual carriageway, car checks, bonnet checks, and a whole lot more to help you pass your driving test. This is your 24/7 driving instructor. Check it out today.